fires up the entire place. The air now filled with mold spores makes it hard to walk around when I'm fucked up or just feeling bored. I don't know what I'm doing with my life, yeah, that's for sure. I don't know if this is a symptom of a disease I can't cure. That's why I'm crazy, laugh, crying my way straight to the grave. Or maybe it's just who I am. Don't know if I'm birthed that to just being insane. Ever since I was a kid, I had thoughts like this. I've always felt alone, cast off, line set adrift. Weirdo, queer, junkie, freak, gag, and puke, yeah, you make me sick. Well, they call them as they see them, I guess, and whatever hits the wall just adds and sticks to this mess. I don't know what I'm doing with my life, yeah, that's for sure. I don't know if this is a symptom of a disease I can't cure. That's why I'm crazy, laugh, crying my way straight to the grave. Or maybe it's just who I am. I don't know if I prefer that to just being insane. Know what I'm doing with my life, yeah, that's for sure. I don't know if this is a symptom of a disease I can't cure. That's why I'm crazy, laugh, cry my way straight to the grave. Or maybe it's just who I am. I don't know if I prefer that to just being insane. 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 Prick your skin with blue. Dispose of gods that would dispose of you. Drink away the night till day fades in with light. Laugh in the face of pain. Laugh in the face of pain. Laugh in the face of pain. It's the only joke that remains. You could ask your friends for help if it wasn't for your mental health. You could quit anytime you want, but why would you ever stop? Just laugh in the face of pain. Laugh in the face of pain. Laugh in the face of pain. When it's the only joke that remains. Hit the bottle, cup times too many. Search your pockets for pennies. Too broke for liquor, but not wet. Stumble home, put your gun to your head, so you can laugh in the face of pain. Laugh in the face of pain. Laugh in the face of pain. When it's the only joke that remains. Laugh in the face of pain. Laugh in the face of pain. Feel like the last match in a burning pack. Someone's curiosity got the best of him, but now I'm born to take the flak, and I'm born to feel like burning everything down, down, down in my path. But it's no accident, it's by design. Either intelligent or ignorant, who cares as long as I show up to work in time? Cause this is life as a burning match. Who cares as long as I burn hot enough to light another pack? So smoke them down, burn the torches long. In the morning light, our ashes in the wind are gone. Match in a burning pack, spewing smoke and flame until it all fades to black. And I'm born to feel like I'm ready to die by self-immolation and spreading my flames out. Why it's no accident, it's by design. Graphically, chromatically, it all ends then black, then fades to white. This is life as a burning match. Who cares as long as I burn hot enough to light another pack? So smoke them down, burn these torches long. In the morning light, our ashes in the wind are gone. Basking in the pulchritude in this depression that I've cultivated. Like a farmer in the field at midnight, watching burning crops devastated. Another insurance scam, except the embers, they do drift. Lifted up on the wind, they ignite the wood and shingles pitch, and then it all burns down, row by row, inch by inch, and it all burns down. There's no one around here to give a shit. All burns down. There's nothing left, no ride to hitch, and then it all burns down. Better be careful for what you wish. Turns out this was always the case. Live with reckless abandon, God will spit in your face. Cause when it rains, it pours. But these aren't autumn showers, they're thunderstorms. Concentric and divisive, spiraling rapidly to descend upon me. Lightning flickering and flashing through the sky towards the ground at my feet. And then it all burns down. My burnt body laid right in the ground, and it all burns down. It's just me here, there's no one left around. It all burns down. The last thing I hear is a loud cracking cloud. When it all burns down, better be careful for what you wish you found. When it all burns down. Some people are fast learners, while others are slow burners. Their candles flame chasing from either side. As the flames get closer to that central placeholder, the wax drips down your palms to the tides of time, and wasted functions run in parallel to life's junctions, like linear freeways crowded with life. And I can't forget to mention about the distance and the tensions. Laws of this world often do provide an instinct that'll wane unless given chance to sustain, like a ride in a bicycle with no eyes, trying to look through the shadows cast in every direction from a candle that's burning way too bright, that it burns and burns and burns everything that it touches. Wild flames caught in the wind have the power to ignite, and everything around is now house fire in the making. Concussive clouds of smoke and windows breaking into shards of glass that melt into molten spires. The damage is done, go ahead and run and hide, lest you learn your lesson. The past drawn in contention, series of overlapping circles with you inside. 'Cause some people are fast learners, while others are slow burners. Their candles flame chasing from either side. Has a cat got your tongue? Is the water thicker than blood? Did you always need someone to butter you up? Are your feet cold enough to let your soul run amok? To change your hair, change your name, leave the state, pass the buck? Did I give you a cold shoulder when I was only trying to break the ice, see eye to eye, till they all turn blind? Crying crocodile tears as I look into yours, you look into mine. Gnashing on bullets, we both bite. Has a cat got your tongue? Were you looking for love when push came to shove? Did you duck and run? Yeah, your silence says enough. You think you're acting tough, but everyone around you is calling your bluff. Yeah, your cards are all laid out, even that ace up your sleeve. Yeah, you can scream and shout, but to all it's plain to see. Has a cat got your tongue? Are her claws deep in your mouths full of blood, or is there just something else you won't let on? Cat never had your tongue, you just feigned all your love. Wait for something better, took off into the setting sun. Has a cat got your tongue? After weeks and months and days and years, I finally woke up far from here. I erected the ladders in the depths of my despair. Climbed and climbed and climbed until I was almost there. Lost my footing a time or two, but regained it out of fear. Losing all my progress and not learning from the mistakes I made. Trampling on those flowers that had glittered all across the graves. And that broken mirror glass that's reflecting in my past. 7 years of bad luck, continuous and vast. I kept looking forward towards that emergency exit light. I pulled myself rung to rung with each and all my might, until there was something I could make out in the distance, a figure shifting in the light. I couldn't miss it. A hand reached out and down towards my very own. My body became weightless as I started to float, and every emotion surrounded me as I left my darkness in the past. My feet landed in solid ground, and the sun I began to bask. And the hand that reached out was connected to a body, conglomeration of the great, unholy, and naturally gaudy, tasteless, spectral ideation of my folly. As we spoke, we argued and agreed on basically nothing except for my calling, which was vaguely ostentatious and lost in my falling to the darkest, coldest doldrums of my mind, shadow plotting. And in return, only give up everything to the sound of the applauding audiences viewing through a screen that was ever evolving, and me, a speck in a crystal globe forever revolving. Weeks and months and days and years, I finally woke up far from here. Erected the ladders in the depths of my despair. Climbed and climbed and climbed until I was almost there. I grabbed the hand that surged for mine like a breath of fresh air. Inhaled and exhaled, savoring what I could, until I laid myself down to rest for the best of common good. Weeks and months and days and years, I finally woke up far